morning guys, in front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and let me show you how to change system language. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list select system, go to languages and select system languages. Now mark R, the new one, pick the one that you want to use your device in. Okay, so let me pick some more common, maybe this one. Now slide it to the first place, or just mark it. Yeah, so you just have to tap on it, and now it is set as a default one. Then if you want to change it, just tap on the language that you want to set right now. So this is how you can change system language on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.